his distinctive physical features. Okay, well, let's see. He's a small man, balding. I'm starting to look more and more like him. In fact, when I put on my glasses sometimes and I look in the mirror, I say, that's Moyshe. He had these wonderfully thick, bushy eyebrows, which I was, as a child, found great comfort in rubbing my fingers against as he would lay with me at night as I was trying to fall asleep. I used to call it bothering Daddy's eyebrows. And it still makes me feel emotional to think of that sensation. He looked like most people's grandparents. That was my perspective on him. In my book, I describe a moment. My father worked at home. My mother worked as a school teacher. So when one of the parents had to come to see us in school on open school day, it would always be my father who came and would be standing around in the back of the classroom in his European garb with the long trench coat and the fedora hat, with these tall American moms towering above him. And the kids would whisper, "Who's that? Who's that? Oh, that's Henry's dad. Wow." Yeah, he stood out in a crowd. I will say that.